Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. Today I'm going to teach you how I animate text in Canva to make smooth kinetic typography for reels, shorts and ads. So let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so this is my Canva app. So this video going to vary step by step. So let's start with the video. So first we need to go in create, and here you can see lots of templates, okay, like presentation, social media, photo editor. Okay, so you can create typography animation in any presentation. So like any templates, like we can create in presentation, even we can create in the video presentation. So I will show you both. Okay, so let me take any presentations, and also let me take the video presentation, landscape only. Okay, so this is my presentation normal, that is not video file, and here you can see this is video format. Okay, and from here resize, you can customize your size. This is your original size, you can customize this and make it resize this design. Also we have the video resize options in custom, so you can resize your video page and resize it, resize this page design only. If you click this copy and resize, then this original will be there, and it will be create the new file. Okay, so you can create resize this design only. So first let me tell you in presentation how you can create typography motion graphics. So let me start. So first we can take the background color any. Okay, I just take this one, and you can also make it like gradient. Okay, we can choose any. Okay, I just choose this one. Now you need to enter your first text. Go to the text and heading. Okay, so let me type something. Okay, you can maximize the size like this. You can change color font from here. Okay, you can also okay, this is a color font color. Okay, you can change font style from here. Okay, you need to resize from this dot only. Okay, don't resize from this, just select that side dot and resize it if you want to resize. And here you can also change that letter spacing, it will be looks very fancy. Now keep it at the middle. Okay, and now we need to give any animations, like I just choose this stomp. Okay, now we can add another text like this. You can also copy the original style if you want and resize it like this, and make sure we need this transparent area. Okay, just create like this. Okay, for this only you can use this site option. Okay, now keep at site and make sure this transparent part come to this page on page. Okay, now make it duplicate. Okay, so now just select the first letter and remove that animations and keep it at top. Even you can resize it if you want. Now here we have the another text, just select that and keep at middle. Okay, now don't use this option. Okay, don't try to resize. If you resize this from here, the animation or this typography effect will be not apply. Okay, so now you need to just choose this only for resizing. Okay, the transparent part keep as it is and keep anywhere like this. Okay, now you can add another text. Create that transparent part. Okay, keep here anywhere like this. Okay, so we have this transparent part. Now create duplicates. Now we have this page and we have these duplicates. Now place anywhere you want and resize it. Okay, don't don't resize from here, keep transparent part as it is, keep anywhere like this. Or you can also, okay, I will show you first this. Okay, now come to the first page. Now keep your cursor between the two page anywhere and just click on this add transitions, select then move and match. You can increase the duration, apply it between all page, share it, and you can sorry, first we need to present it and present it. You can see it is present. Yeah, you can see the typography graphics, motion graphics has been created. It is like presentation, right? So you can download as a video. Go to the download and download as mp4. It will be download. Okay, you can also give many effects, like if I undo this. Okay, let me delete this third page. Okay, and let me create another duplicate one. So now we have this text. So now you can simply come place it at the middle and like scroll. Okay, while you scroll, hit the control and make sure it is scrolling only 90 degree. You need to scroll the 90 degree only. You need to resize from this. Okay, don't resize from this icon, just select that side dot and resize it. Okay, now come to the transitions. Yeah, it's already applied to all. Now let me check the presentations. Okay, this is second, this is the third. Now you can see this transition has been happened. It is scrolling. Okay, so now you can download as a mp4 from here. Okay, you need to just choose all pages. It is by default will choose, but select it, but you need to make sure you need to select all pages and download as a mp4. You can increase the quality of videos, so it will be decrease your video size, file size. Okay, and download it. In video also you can do this in video file. Okay, so first we don't have any background option here, so you can take the background from elements. Okay, so you can go to the graphics and take any background like this. Okay, right click on it, may set the background. Now you can change the color of this. Okay, you can change any color. Now this is my this is a layer. Okay, in video we have the layers, so this is the first layer of backgrounds, and now we need to add text. So I just add text. I just give the number, so you will see the here in the numbers, so you can know better. Okay, so this is my first number, so I just increase the size, keep at a middle. Same, you can change the color if you want. Okay, I need to give the animation like storm, so let's the create it. Okay, now I can add the another text like this. Okay, second. Okay, so this is keep at first and make sure this is our background. Okay, if it is increase the text size length, then you need to make sure it is compared to it should be same as the background size. Okay, and now we have the first and two. Now we need to create that transparent part and keep at side. Now create a duplicate of this background, and also we need this duplicate, so just create duplicates one by one. Okay, this is our first duplicate and this is our second duplicates. Okay, okay, make sure you need to manage this background size, that text size should be same. Okay, okay, now we need to come to the second. This is second page, first letter. So now we need to remove that animation, and you can keep at top or you can resize it if you want. Okay, now come to the second text. Okay, select that and make sure it is come at middle. Don't resize from here. Now don't make sure keep it is the transparent part should be kept as it is. Now you need to just resize from here, that side dot. Okay, now we have done. Okay, you can also create the third page for that scrolling animations or graphics. Okay, so now we have that options. Now just keep cursor between that two that page or background and click that add transitions. Go to the move and match. We have the duration, but in video you need to adjust this duration. Okay, so you can make a maximum and you can see. Okay, so let me check. Now you can resize from here. Okay, you can resize this like this. Okay, if you have minimum animation, then you need to resize these pages so it will be play properly. You can also resize this page like this. Okay, now we have the final result like this. Yeah, you can see. Now you can download as a PNG, MP4 and download it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.